Students, in this video we will learn GK of class 5, right? Please take it out, the page number 16. In this video we will first learn about strange flower. So children, you know na that everybody is unique in this universe. Like you, me, like you, I will not get a different child. And like me, you will not get a different teacher. Right? The name may be same. Right? Some of the characteristics will match. But all the things will never match. Okay? So everybody is unique. So in this topic, we will learn about some of the flowers are also strange. Okay, so let's see. This is the, you can see the flower, right? So this flower is something, if you will see very minutely na children, so this will look like a parrot, right? So this is the parrot, this is the beak, isn't it? So it's looking like a two parrot. So this flower is known as parrot flower. So this, see this very clearly. This is looking like a head, this is the hand, this is the frog, and this is the leg of the girl. So this is the dancing girl. Next, see. This is looking like monkey, isn't it? It's looking like the face of the monkey. Two eyes, nose, and here mouth. Here also looking like two eyes, nose, and mouth. So this is the monkey face orchid. Okay. Next, see children. See, this is looking like, my God, red hand, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. So it's looking like hand coming out of the flower, right? So this is the devil's hand. Now look at this. This is looking like a heart-shaped flower. And my God, what is this? It seems like the blood is coming out from the heart. So this is what? This is bleeding heart. And this is something looking like a beehive. Beehive you have seen? Madhumakhi ka chhatta. Okay. So beehive ginger. So this is what? Looking like a beehive ginger. Ginger means what? You know that. So this is looking like a beehive ginger. Now let's see here. This is looking like 1, and here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. Isn't it? What? It's looking like star-shaped flower. So this is what? Star flower. Okay? Next. See, this is looking like lips. Oh my God, lips. And red lipstick also applied over this lips. Yes, na? How amazing and strange. So this is known as hooker's lips. Okay. So this is about the strange flower, children. Okay. Then here is the flower quiz. So nothing is here we have to understand. Here only we have to give the answer. So this answer I will send in the class group. Okay children, this I am not going to explain because nothing is there to explain. Now next move to the page number 7. Sorry, not page number 7, lesson 7, page number 22. Okay. And this is the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Okay. Wonders means you know na children. This is the ancient world wonders. And do you know the now what are the 7 wonders of nowadays? Means 7 wonders means 7 ajube. Right? So this one is the actually original list. of the ancient time, पुराने जमाने का. Okay, children. So let's see, before we move to the ancient world wonders, let's move once that what is the wonders of nowadays. आज के 7 अजूबे क्या है? What are the 7 wonders of nowadays? So let's see. Here I'll show you in the screen. It is written. And there is a trick also for learning. That I will tell you later on, beta. Let's read first. Here is first the 7 wonders we are reading. This is the 7 wonders. Okay. And here first is Great Wall of China. Where it is? It is located in China. Okay. 7 wonders. We are learning about 7 wonders of nowadays. Then we will learn about the ancient one. Okay, children? So, Great Wall of China. It is in China. Petra. It is in Jordan. Colosseum. It is in Rome and Italy. China Itza. It is in Mexico. Machu Picchu. It is in Peru. Taj Mahal. I don't need to explain it. My all children know this. Where is Taj Mahal? You know that it is in UP, Agra and India. Next is Christ the Redeemer. It is in Brazil. Okay. Rio de Janeiro. It is in Brazil. Okay. So this is the current 7 wonders. Okay, my dear children. But in your book, you have to read the ancient world also. Right? So let's see what was the ancient world wonders. Okay, this is Temple of Artemis. Temple of Artemis. Okay, that wonder means you will never get such type of wonders ever. It's similarly to like this. This is what? Colossus of Rhodes. Colossus of Rhodes. This is the second wonder of ancient world. Third, this is the Hanging Garden of Babylon. So, my God, see, garden can also be a hanging. So, this is the Hanging Garden of Babylon. Next, this is the Great Pyramid of Giza. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza. The details, children, I cannot explain the details about this here because we have very, very short time and we have to complete many more things. So, if you want to learn more, you can search in the Google and you can learn from there. So many videos are available about all this thing. Okay, children. The next is Lighthouse of Alexandria. This is the 6th wonder, that is Lighthouse of Alexandria. 7. This is Mausoleum of Halicarnassus. Mausoleum of Halicarnassus. Okay, and this one is one more 7th wonders of the ancient world is Statue of Zeus at Olympia. Okay, children. So you have to learn this. Learn it 2 times, 3 times. Okay. Next is beta. We will learn about the famous people of the tech world. Tech world means technology. It is a short form of technology. Right? All of we use now WhatsApp. Now even the classes are also going. The link we sent also in the WhatsApp. The whatever questions, answers, homeworks we use in the WhatsApp. Okay, Facebook. Many of you visit the Facebook so many times. If not you, then your friends, your parents. Facebook. everybody know about the Facebook, right? So Google, without Google, your phone will not work, right? So we are using this technology. But you know, children, that somebody has made it. Somebody has developed this technology. So they are like us, children. They are no more different. They are a human being. They are like us. Right? So let's see who are they, and let's try to remember these famous people's name. So Facebook. See how I am amazed, children, that how intelligent brains are they. That they turn their ideas into reality, and we all are enjoying these. Whenever we get time, we search on the Google. Whenever we want any answer, we search on the Google. Always use WhatsApp, Microsoft Microsoft you are using in the phone also, even in the computer also. Without that, your mobile, your computer will not work. So salute to them, children, these famous people, and let's learn about them. So Mark Zuckerberg is a Facebook. That person who invented the Facebook. Bill Gates, everybody know that. What he invented? Microsoft. He developed Microsoft. Apple computers. Who developed that? Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs developed Apple computers. WhatsApp. Who has developed WhatsApp? Brian Axon and John Combe. These two people joined their mind, their ideas, and they turn into reality. Wow. Amazing, children, amazing. So this is Brian Axon and John Combe. They invented WhatsApp. So that should be, don't just learn, children, and forget it. That should be, you should be aware about it, isn't it? Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Larry Page and Sergey Brin invented Google. And without Google, as I said, children, our phone will not work at all. We need the Google. We need the Google. Okay, children, so this much in this video. Other we will learn in next video.